Hi guys, my name is Kenny Bosick and I'm a technology specialist at North Park Lexus at Dominion. And today, I'll be showing you how to use Siri on your Lexus RX350. Alright, so we are inside the new 2020 Lexus RX350. Now to utilize Apple CarPlay, we'll go ahead and have our USB port plugged in. This will automatically launch the Apple CarPlay feature in our vehicle. Now to access Siri, we can do Siri hands-free from our steering wheel. We'll hold down our touch switch for our voice commands, and that will automatically activate Siri in the vehicle. We can do any commands such as sending out text messages, setting reminders, checking the weather. It's all pretty simple. Hey Siri, check the weather in San Antonio, Texas.
It's currently cloudy and 61 degrees in San Antonio.
Now another way we can do it is if you have Siri enabled through your phone, you can just say, "Hey Siri," and Siri will automatically come on as well. Hey Siri, send a text message to work.
What do you want to say?
Let's schedule the meeting in 30 minutes.
Your message to work says, "Let's schedule the meeting in 30 minutes. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And that's it. It's simple. And this was a demonstration on how to use Siri in the new 2020 Lexus RX350. If you have any other questions about anything in this video, feel free to stop by our dealership today.